Hey guys, what's going on? Little here, and this is my Minecraft Let's Build series. I will be building Rome, but first I gotta build the train station. So this is what I have so far. I thought I would go all out because my regular train stations are pretty small, and it looks like I didn't put any work into them. So let me just show you what it looks like real quick. Bam, train station. Nothing really to it. Just you are here and takes you to wherever you have to go. And Italy, I'm gonna make something like that, but it's gonna be Rome, of course. And this is Italy. I'm not gonna go into too much of it, but yeah. So I'm just gonna see where I'm gonna make it at. And I'm thinking over here. I put pink wool somewhere, but I think that's gonna be too far, so I'm just gonna put it right here. So let me just add something here, so I know that's my checkpoint. It wouldn't show it though, but oh well. And it's just gonna be going straight, basically. So let's get started. And I think I dropped down something. I don't know. Did I? Because I had stone in my hand and now it's gone. Oh, well, I'll just have another one. Okie dokie. So this is gonna, from here, it's gonna be stone, because that's where that's gonna be the beginning of the train stations and stuff. So just keep adding it. So I'm gonna be right back when I'm finished breaking all this, and adding the stone. I will unpause it. Okay guys, I am finished, and now what I'm gonna be doing is just finding out where I'm gonna be adding the train tracks. For sure, this is where you walk through and then come and sit. So maybe like over here, that's gonna be a train, like a thingamajiggy, and just add it all the way into that tunnel. So I'm gonna do that real quick. Hoping it's okay though. I don't want to make something and it sucks. Where I used to live when I was little in New York, these are how, like, the seats were kind of close. Like, the train station that I was in, the seats were really close to the train tracks. So I'm gonna do the same thing. And it's getting night. Okay, I will fall asleep real quick. Okay, let's get back to work. So this is where the train's gonna be. So let me just do this. There we go. And that's gonna keep going. And maybe I could do another one. That could be going, this could be coming. Let me see. Oh, my bad. Oh my gosh, okay. Yeah, I could probably do it. I think I can. And just put that one there. Oh, My bad. I was thinking we was gonna have enough room to sit down over here, but it looks like we're not. So what I'm gonna do is, starting from here, like I'll show you guys after I'm finished breaking this. Okay, so I could put like certain areas to be like this way is going, this way is coming. But that's gonna be part 1. And part 2, I'm gonna be making the front desk and the lounge area. So hope you like this video and stick in for part 2.